I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the space jump item first. That's non-negotiable. Once equipped, make sure your movement inputs are clean, neutral, left, right, and diagonal. Practice a single jump, then chain 2. This trains timing. Also keep some energy or a missile for emergencies so you can survive mistakes. In other words, don't waste time. Get the item, confirm controls respond, and practice short hops to build the muscle memory needed for continuous aerial control. Begin by holding the jump button to start the first space jump burst. Then keep it held. Space jump emits repeated hops while held, allowing vertical and horizontal travel. Combine with diagonal stick input to steer. Once done, modulate the stick to reduce lateral drift and maintain a steady arc. Make sure to vary pressure and direction to stay centered on platforms. Practice transitions between full hold and short taps. To learn how to finish a sequence, release jump slightly before landing so you descend steadily instead of overshooting the platform. If you find yourself drifting or stuck against a wall, neutralize the stick briefly, then reapply directional input to recenter. This resets your momentum. When precision matters near hazards, switch to small taps rather than a continuous hold. This gives micro-control over height. If issues persist, practice a few reps in an open area to rebuild timing and reduce input noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.